Today we're covering concrete sidewalk installation, complete process guide. Here's what you need to know. Learn the step-by-step process for installing a concrete sidewalk from site prep to finishing. Costs typically range 8 to 15 per square foot. Quick answer: a concrete sidewalk costs 8 to 15 per square foot and takes 3 to 7 days to complete. The process involves site prep, subgrade compaction, concrete pouring, and finishing with proper slope, 1/8 inch per foot, for drainage and freeze-thaw protection. Installing a concrete sidewalk is a foundational project for North Carolina homeowners, whether you're adding accessibility to your home, creating a safe walking path for guests, or boosting curb appeal and property value. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. You pay nothing until the work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide walks you through every step of the sidewalk installation process, from site evaluation and permit requirements to finishing and curing, so you understand what the work entails and what to expect from a professional crew. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential concrete work, including sidewalk installation on single-family properties and small commercial sites. A typical 4-foot wide, 50-foot sidewalk runs 200 square feet and costs between $1,600 to $3,000 at current material and labor rates. Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front, eliminating the deposit and disappear pattern common in concrete contracting. Proper sidewalk installation requires site evaluation, subgrade preparation, accurate slope for drainage, and correct finishing to prevent spalling and settling. Moving on to permits and site evaluation. Before ordering concrete or building forms, you need to confirm that your project complies with local code and that the site is suitable for a durable sidewalk. Most North Carolina municipalities require a permit for sidewalk work exceeding 100 square feet or where the sidewalk abuts a public right-of-way. Charlotte, Raleigh, Cary, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and smaller towns in the Triad and Lake Norman areas all have varying code requirements, so contact your local city or county planning and zoning office before starting work. An on-site evaluation by a professional contractor is essential. The evaluation should assess. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.